I'm Lay with LayShidell.com. I have a training for you today, how to use Google Documents. Have you ever needed to create a document and maybe you don't have Microsoft Word, but that's one of the popular word processing document or software that people use and is common to most everybody? Well, I have a way for you to utilize something that Google puts out for free, that you can create those documents and download them as a Word document to use later. So I'm going to take you over to my screen so we can get started on how to do this process. We're going to go over here to, the way you access this is by going to docs.google.com and hit enter, and it will bring you to this. No, this is the forms. One moment. I fibbed. There we go. It was on. Okay, this one is the Google Docs. The other was the forms. Okay, and so once you're here, you have lots of different options. You could start out with a totally blank form and create your own, or you can use templates that already exist. For example, a letter, a report, a resume. They've already done a couple of resume styles here for you. A project proposal that you might be putting together for your business, or maybe even a brochure. There's also a template up here. You can click on this and it will take you through, I'll scroll on the right hand side here, a whole variety of different options that have already been set up. And the nice thing about these fields have already been placed for you, and it already has font sizes, and that's what a template's all about. It's the work's been done for you, and all you do is go in and click each little section and alter it to fit your needs. So I'm going to go back to, okay, whoops, bounced one too many there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is show you how to create a new letter using a template. So you'd pick up that template and you'd click on it. When it opens up, you're going to double click, you're going to triple click, and then when it's all highlighted, the field is, you can type your name. And how come this is not working? One moment. There we go. And then triple click the next line and edit that one as well. Click the next line with your city and state. Enter that information. And then you process on through. So you're just double or triple clicking on each line. Go ahead and type in the information. Then just click on the next line. Be sure not to hit the return key. Hitting the return key is going to give you a return in that spot, and then you're going to probably want to remove it later. So watch, if I entered that information and then I hit enter, it gives me an enter there. So I have to go back and remove it if I'm trying to keep the format of this template, which has already been set up for me. Then I get to the body. I can change the body as I see fit, and of course the salutation to your reader. You change the body of the document and how you want to close, and then you can double, triple click here on the bottom and put your name the way you want it at the bottom to sign off. Now, Google, one nice thing that they have is it automatically is saving your document as you go along. So all we have to do now is download this in a doc format so that it can be used in Word. So we're going to click on File on the top left up here, and then we're going to drag down just below the center to Download As. And when you hover that, you'll notice another window opens, another menu. And our first option is Microsoft Word. Another popular style of document that is used is PDF. That is one of your options. Rich text format is also often used. And HTML, when you need to put the document into your website or utilize it on somebody else's website, it's likely you're going to want it in HTML format. So then you'll have that as an option. We're going to download this as a Word document. You'll notice on the bottom left of my screen here is where the document actually is residing at the moment from the download point. If I click on the little up arrow to the right of the name and show in the folder, it will be highlighted and you will see that item. If I click on it slowly twice at the bottom, I can rename the file to, say, a specific letter. I'll call this a test letter. And then once I've done that, I could move it or copy it to where I would like to use it. So for me, I think I will just copy it for this demonstration to where I would like to be able to go pick it up later in a moment when I show you it opening it in okay, so then I have it, I'll put it here and paste it. Okay, there's my test letter. You can see that it's there. So what I wanted to show you from here is once we've created that letter, Google has it saved for you as I indicated. And this is the letter right here that I just worked on. The way I know it's this one and not the one below, you'll see to the far right on the document, it has a date stamp on it. So it has a date and time. And if it's today, it just gives a time. Okay, so what I wanted to do is take you over to Microsoft Word. And I'm just going to quickly show you. This one was one I did the test yesterday, but I wanted to open for you the one that we just did. So I'm going to navigate on my computer to that file, and I'll open it. And you can see this is the one that we just did. I didn't alter everything, but you can see everything's changed here. Now, you can save this file, and if you needed any further editing, you could edit again at this point. Then you can attach this file to an email, or there are other ways you might want to print it out and actually send a physical letter. You would be able to do these things. And now this concludes this training. I look forward to bringing you more in the future. I hope you got some value from this. If you did, please share it out. I look forward to doing more in the future. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.